Alright folks, good morning. Welcome back to Hooking with Stubby. We're getting ready to go pick one up at the local Casey's, take it to a local shop. Without further ado, let's get started. Sorry for coughing, guys. How's it going, ma'am? Yeah, if you want to try it again. Sometimes I've been known sometimes to lay my hand on something and it come back to life. Huh.
I worked on all that. I had somebody else come work on all that. Seems to be getting tight on all that.
That's weird.
This is like this
Yeah.
because I've had trouble with the lights flashing and stuff, and I've had mechanics look at it. Nobody can figure out what it is. And so I had them put this on, that way I can turn my battery off to save my battery. This is a brand new battery. So, yeah.
Alrighty, so we're loaded up, take it to Jack's.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're going to work on it and see what he says.
Jack's a good old guy.
Yeah, he's my mechanic. He's been my buddy. Make sure, just turn this off, and you have
You
to
can go
pull
ahead.
this out.
You should be able to go ahead and do that now.
You want me to put it in neutral?
Let me get the chain hooked up to it. As soon as I get put the hooks on it, you pop her in neutral. We'll go ahead and disconnect that. But I think it should shift gears without any battery juice.
Well, in order to take it out of gear, you got to have the key in, and it's got to be able to be turned on.
Well, it should be that key and tumbler though. It shouldn't be the power though.
I don't know. I know it won't move nothing. With that key.
Well, we'll leave it hooked up for right now. I'll get the bed laid down and then we'll go from there. This is the second Chevy in 2 days.
Is it? Well, I got a Chevy Force in my driveway, and it's not wanting to go out of first gear.
I had to pick one up last night out here on Calvert Drive, and I get there and it's an old friend of mine. He went over to Kansas yesterday and bought a 62 Chevy 2-ton pickup. Drove it 2 hours here and it quit running when he got here.
Well, my luck this week ain't been very good with vehicles.
No, my luck's never been good with vehicles. At least the ones I own.
Everybody says, well, you need to get rid of this truck. I'm like, no, I got too much money tied up into it. Guys, it's all metal. It's nothing like that as new ones now.
That is very true.
Keep what I got, keep working on it. You see, it's got brand new pipes on it.
Oh yeah. God bless it. You know what? I'm just gonna hook the axles. Oh. Yep. It won't until you put it back up and drive. But the tricky thing about that is, you can go ahead and disconnect the power, and it'll go up into park without any power.
It will?
Yep.
I do this enough. I'm an expert at it.
I'll be dang, okay. Alright. That came in at an angle. Alright, I gotta switch it. I don't know why, but on that side the handles don't have as much juice as the other side. They run off the same valve, I don't understand. All right, guys, we've made it to the shop. So last night my son gave me the advice that I should no longer put the driving in the videos. So I did not record any driving with this video. Please comment down below your opinion so I can continue to provide great content for you guys. Have a good. All right, guys, that was another successful tow. Dropped it off at my boy Jack's shop. Don't forget, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, give me a like on that video, maybe a comment, let me know what you think, and we'll see you guys on the next call.